In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your phone number with a 6-digit SMS code. Verifying your number helps keep your account secure, makes it easier to recover access if you ever get locked out, and ensures you can receive important notifications. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and share helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, enter your phone number. You can do this during sign up or later in your profile settings if you skipped it before. Make sure you select the correct country code and type the number exactly as it appears on your device. A quick double check here saves time later. Use a number that can receive text messages and avoid using a temporary or internet-only number if possible, since those are often blocked by verification systems. After you submit your number, wait for the 6-digit SMS verification code. It usually arrives within a few seconds, but depending on your carrier and signal, it might take up to a couple of minutes. Keep the app or website open and make sure your phone has a stable connection. If you have dual SIMs, confirm that you're checking the right line's messages. The message may come from a short code or a sender name you don't recognize. This is normal. Remember, this code is just for you. Don't share it with anyone. Many codes expire quickly, so be ready to use it as soon as it arrives. Once you have the code, enter it in the app or website exactly as shown. If your phone offers autofill from the SMS, you can use that, but still glance at it to confirm it matches. If you make a typo, simply correct it and try again. When you see an error that the code is invalid or expired, tap the resend option and wait for a fresh code before re-entering. Avoid repeatedly requesting new codes too quickly, as that can sometimes cause delays. When the code is accepted, your phone number is verified, you'll see a confirmation on screen, and you're all set. From here on, you can rely on that number for account alerts and smoother sign-ins. If you change numbers in the future, return to your profile settings and update it so you don't miss important messages. If texts consistently don't arrive, check your signal, make sure you haven't blocked unknown senders, and confirm your number and country code are correct. And that's it. Simple, secure, and done.